Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to fix a massive problems that many Shopify stores face. We all know how to set up a metapixel and conversion API for a standard Shopify store. It usually super easy using Google Tag Manager and step.io. But what happens when a user using third-party checkout apps like the Madgic COD forms, Receipt COD forms, 𝗚ście COD forms? But today we are talking about Madgic COD forms. When you use third-party COD forms, the standard tracking breaks. Your data doesn't reach meta correctly. As a result, your ad performance drops day by day. You got inaccurate data. For example, you might have only 10 boxes in your store, but your meta ads dashboard showing 30 or 35. You face an issue like poor event coverage, duplicate events, and low match quality. If you are facing this exact problem, this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you step by step how I successfully fixed this issue. Today, our main focus is showing how to enable the data layer for the Madgic COD forms. Once the data layer is active, we can use that data to set up the metapixel and conversion API perfectly. And here is the best part. This data layer isn't just for meta. Once we set it up, you can use the exact same data layer to track the conversions for Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, TikTok Pixel and Events API, Pinterest tracks and conversion API, Snapchat, LinkedIn, or other platforms. You can use this one. You can track everything across every platform. So no more data loss and no more waste and budget. Let's dive into the screen and get started how we can enable the data layer and how to set up the metapixel and conversion API using Google Tag Manager. Yeah, so you can see my screen. Okay, so here you can see this is our Google Tag Manager. I already implemented metapixel and conversion API here. But right now, I want to test our website. It is working or not. So you can see this is my website. And when I click on order this button, this times our checkout event will be fired. Like this is our third party, like Madgic COD forms. And when this pop-up will be open, this times our checkout event will be fired, right? But if I check our detail there, then here I have only view item add to cart, not the checkout. Also, when I make a purchase, so when I click on order confirm column, this button, then our order will be completed. And this is our thank you page, right? But our data are on work in this page. Only this add to cart event is working, but checkout and purchase events is not working. So that's why these are big problems in this store. So that's why we need to enable a data layer. And also, using Madgic COD forms. Actually, why we need to use Google Tag Manager and why we need to enable a data layer? Because first of all, you need to understand when we are land our website. Suppose this is our website, and this is our Shopify default checkout page. And if I make a purchase this way, this times this data collecting in our store, but this data not going to in our meta ads campaign. Because we are using like third-party checkout page, and we are installing metapixel using these apps. And if I add the pixel ID in here, and if I use this conversion API, like this conversion API, I will use pixel ID and access token. Then our pixel setup is done for our page view events, add to cart, initial checkout, and purchase. But it is only working in our Madgic COD forms, not our Shopify part, like default checkout page. That's why we need to enable our data layer, and we need to send every event and parameters in our Google Ads using Google Tag Manager. And if we use server-side tracking, then we can use step.io server. So that's why this one. So now I want to enable our data layer for our Madgic COD forms, Shopify default checkout page. So first of all, I will show you. I already implement data layer in our Shopify. Now, if I go into settings, and then you can see here customer events. And if I go to custom pixel, then here have data layer. This is our new data layer. We are using this code. And here our Google Tag here have our data layer, and we are connected to Google Tag Manager also here, and it is working very well. And every event is working very well. So it is for our only Shopify standard page, not our third-party checkout page like the Madgic COD forms. Okay, so if we need to use to enable the data layer in the Madgic COD forms, we need to use a JavaScript code in the theme.liquid. So how we can use this one? So first of all, we need to go online store and click on the three-dot icon and click on this edit code. And we are going to this page. So this is our theme.liquid page. Okay, so I will paste our JavaScript code, like our detailed JavaScript code in the Shopify, like theme.liquid here body sections. Okay, this is our body sections. But I will create alternative way. I will create on a snippet and add this snippet in this body sections. Okay, so first of all, I will go here snippet and click on mouse right button, click on new file. And Madgic COD forms a data layer.liquid. Okay, that's it. And yeah, here I will paste my JavaScript code here. This is our JavaScript code. Now I just connected this JavaScript code with our theme.liquid body section. Okay. The snippet is added done. Now I just click on save button. If I click the save button, then our snippet code will be connected with our website. So now I test our data layer, it is working or not. So I'll go tag manager and click on preview button. Here I will click on the order current button. Then our checkout event will be fired. So I want to check our tag assistant here. You can see view item. Then these are checkout events. And here have all the product information. We are write down here like this product ID is 276922780. Okay, here I have two products, like first, and this is our second product. And now if I make a purchase, okay, I already fill up the form and I just click on order confirm, click on this button. Yeah, this is our thank you page. Okay, this is our thank you message. Now I have to test our purchase events is working or not. You can see checkout, and this is our purchase events. Okay, so yeah, fantastic. Our data layer is working accurately. Now you can see here our tag also working. These are our browser events and these are our server events. We are sending these events versus events in our server. Here have all the informations. It is working very well. So now, yeah, every begin checkout, view item, view item, then checkout and purchase. Every event is working very well. Because of that, we are enable our data layer for our Madgic COD forms and in our Shopify default checkout page. So yeah, it is working very well, and I hope this type of setups it will be working for your business very well. So if you are facing look like these problems, or if you are facing extra problems like if you see your diagnostic error and if you see your event coverage problems, event mesh quality problems, even duplicate problems, data freshness problems, then you can know me. I will try to fix your all the problems. And if you need any paid service, you just message me directly in my WhatsApp. I will add my contact details in this video descriptions. Just message me. So see you soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.